Welcome back to this tutorial series. In this video, we're covering how to configure the general settings in WordPress. These settings are the foundation for your site, so let's make sure they're set up just right. To access General Settings, head to the Settings tab in the left-hand menu and click General. Here's what you'll need to configure: site title and tagline. Update your site's name and description to reflect your brand or focus. WordPress and site address. URL. These should match the domain where your site is hosted. Administration email. Ensure this is up to date. It's where WordPress will send notifications. Membership settings. Decide if you want anyone to register on your site. Default user role. If membership is enabled, set the default role for new users, usually subscriber. Time zone, date, and time format. Set these to match your location and preferences. Once you've made your updates, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure everything is applied. And that's how you configure the general settings in WordPress. Up next, we'll guide you through writing your first blog post. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.